Hi, I'm Destiny, and this is my presentation on over-reliance on technology. Here is an overview. There are many different types of technology, and the picture on the right shows different types of technology as in the microscope, the computer, the wheelchair, and the phone. Technology was designed to help people, and it is used every single day. But even though technology is useful and helpful, there are still some issues within it. Benefits of technology. The benefit of technology includes helping students with education, as shown in the image on the right, giving directions to unknown areas, and helping teachers teach students by providing a variety of applications to write their lessons in. Taking over jobs. Technology is taking over our jobs like pilots, astronauts, nurses, pharmacists, drivers, surgeons, and so much more. The image on the right shows an astronaut robot. Taking over jobs continued. Barge states, new technology takes work away from not only paralegals, but from secretaries or even attorneys. If robots continue to take away our jobs, homeless people rates could increase. Barge also states most jobs are required to have computer skills. Invading the childhood of children. According to the site MobiG, there are approximately over 500,000 predators that use the internet daily. Technology is invading children's childhood by having access to inappropriate websites. Children are also at risk of coming into contact with the predator online. In the image, it shows a metaphor as a predator luring in this child with candy, but in this case it's through the internet. Another way technology invades the childhood of children is becoming addicted to it. It could also make an impact on their behavior. Capable of harming one another. Technology has an evil side where it can help a person or people cheat on their significant other, or help students cheat on an assignment, which can result in bigger consequences for the student through the school. Another way technology helps people harm one another is giving people the ability to target someone and bully them for no reason. And this image shows an upset kid who just received unwanted comments made directly towards him. If cyberbullying continues for one, it could result in an even bigger issue as in harming themselves or suicide. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are still advantages to technology as there are disadvantages. An advantage would be technology being great for educational purposes. The disadvantages include spoiling people by not realizing how much they rely on technology. Like most people would not know their way around anywhere without using the memory of the map on their phone. Or like predators hiding behind the internet waiting to lure in more children for their desire. And the image on the right shows a set of hands chained, holding a phone. This is a metaphor for how people are addicted to the technology and cannot live without it. Here are my references. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.